Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make parabola in Adobe Illustrator. Actually, it's not an absolute way to make a parabola, but I think it's pretty much okay to use this way because we often use 99% of the time only the shape of parabola, not exactly parabola. So actually I don't know how to make a exactly accurate parabola mathematically, so you can pretty much use it at 99% of the time. And let's start. We will firstly make a coordinate axis using the line segment tool, and after that you can just lock the both line segment. Just make that coordinate axis in separate layer and lock that layer so that you can not by mistake click or something like that. So just lock that, and now just use pen tool, and using pen tool we can make any curve. So just click on right side of the coordinate system. Just here one thing keep in mind that suppose when you try to put first point on the -5 or -10, then just try to put the second point on the side of the coordinate axis to put something like +5 or +10. So I suppose make something negative -5 or -10. So suppose here I am going for -5 first one, then I will just try to cross the positive x-axis at +5. So keep in mind one thing, and later on using the pen tool you can adjust the handle and make more perfect. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe this channel, and see you in the next. Thank you.